It's Wednesday, February 19th, 2014. Good morning, I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. We'll be clearing out this morning. It's also very warm to start today. We'll take a look at the current temperatures. Near 50 by Friday, but are severe thunderstorms possible as well. Get all the details and much more starting right now. Skies are clearing out this morning. We had some showers that skirted the Ohio River early this morning. That basically brought some scattered clouds in here. They're now moving out. And temperatures, boy, what a surprise. We were 10 degrees warmer than the models were saying we were supposed to be this morning. We'll take a look at those temperatures in just a moment. Over here in the southern and central plains, we see this bank of clouds. That's our next system developing. That's going to be affecting us later tomorrow, especially afternoon and evening, with showers and some thunderstorms. A little bit of snow tracking across portions of lower Michigan this morning. That's not going to affect us at all. 20s up into the northern plains and part of the central plains as well. And you want some warm weather? Well, they have 60s and 70s from Texas all the way over to Florida. You'll find some warmer weather down there. Across our area this morning, we have skies again clearing out. You can see here's the clouds right here, mainly along and east of I-71 and generally south of the Turnpike. That's about it. Outside of that, it's a little cooler in some places, a little warmer in others. Cleveland right now, 41 degrees. 38 at Lorain, 37 Ashtabula, 41 also at Youngstown and Ravenna, 42 Mansfield, 39 at Worcester, and Dover, New Philly. The warm spot in our area is 44 degrees at Akron. Yeah, we were supposed to be around freezing this morning and wake up and temperatures are around 40 degrees or so. So I had to bring the temperatures up. I think we'll get into the mid and upper 40s today. We'll keep an eye on it. But it should be very nice with plenty of sun throughout the day. Believe it or not, our high yesterday was 46 degrees. That occurred close to midnight last night, the low 26. We were actually well above average. Our average high 38 degrees, the average low 24. Our record high today 68. We had 2.8 inches of snow from that fluke snowstorm we had overnight that closed many schools and caused a lot of havoc for the morning commute. We're at 18.8 inches for the month. Sunrise is at 7:16 a.m. and sunset is at 6:06 p.m. We do have a severe weather threat for Thursday, more so Thursday late afternoon and Thursday evening. I have areas along and west of I-77 in a low risk for severe weather. As you get down towards Dayton and Cincinnati, they're at a medium risk. And threat-wise, we're looking at mainly damaging winds here as a line of showers and storms moves along and ahead of a very strong cold front across the region. As you get down towards far southwestern Ohio, there is an isolated risk for a isolated weak brief tornado or two. That would be about it. And we're going to see it here on the NEO risk. Damaging winds, really the bigger of the threats here between hail and tornadoes, which where we're at is a zero risk, by the way. There's absolutely no risk for hail or tornadoes where we're at. Flooding's the other risk. Now we have all that snow out there. We have ice on the rivers, and then we have these warm temperatures coming in. The warm temperatures are very nice, but also at the same time, it's a bad thing because things are going to start melting, and the water just really doesn't have anywhere to go. The ground's nice and frozen, and the rivers are nice and frozen. Now we're going to loosen all this stuff up, and when it starts moving, it really doesn't have very far to go. So ice jam flooding's a very big threat right now, especially for any of the rivers that drain into Lake Erie, which is pretty much frozen solid along the lakeshore there. It just has nowhere to go. So if you live along one of those rivers, the Grand River, the Chagrin River, the Black River, the Vermilion River, be very aware of that. And remember, turn around, don't drown, don't drive through a flooded roadway. Not only are you going to hit water, you're going to hit a lot of ice too. There's going to be a lot of ice flows in there. So be very careful, especially tomorrow afternoon through at least Friday for the potential for flooding. Here's the setup now on the future cast, and we're going to put this into motion from Thursday morning through early Friday morning. Showers along a warm front that's going to come through tomorrow. That could actually mix with some snow or possibly even some freezing rain. Then it gets warmer, and then showers and storms along that cold front come through. Behind this, it's going to be very windy, and it's also going to be much colder. So if we do get some flooding, it's going to start freezing, but before it does, the wind could push some of these blocks of ice around a little bit, and that could agitate some of that flooding as well. Also, it's going to be a little harder to drive too. It's supposed to be very windy, so do be careful out there. All right, our forecast for today features mainly cloudy skies this morning. We're going to clear out, though, through the afternoon with high pressure coming in. I'm going with a high of 47. That's only about 3 to 4 degrees off where we're at right now. If the trend continues, it would not surprise me to see a couple areas near 50. We'll start your morning off at 7 a.m., mostly cloudy and 42, 46 by 11 a.m. with partly cloudy skies, 47 at 2 p.m. with mainly sunny skies, and 45 at 5 p.m. Overnight tonight will be mainly clear until we get closer to daybreak, when clouds will increase ahead of that warm front. Temperatures are going to drop to around 25 degrees, but they're going to warm up quickly as that warm front does move through. For the next 7 days, Thursday, 48, maybe 50 in a few spots, mostly cloudy, rain and storms after that morning rain. Then we'll get to the storms later in the afternoon and overnight. It's going to be windy as well. Temperatures really don't drop very far. Might fall a degree or two, then they're going to rise towards 50 again. I'm going 50 for Friday. Now remember, that's an early morning temperature. The cold front comes through around 7, 8 o'clock or so, and temperatures are going to just basically plummet. Any rain will switch over to some snow. That'll be brief. It'll clear out and be windy again with a mix of sun and clouds by the end of the day. For your weekend, clouds increase on Saturday ahead of another weak disturbance that'll bring some snow later in the day, a high of 38. Snow a better chance Saturday night. It may linger into Sunday, but right now it looks like everything is out before sunrise. So I'm going with mostly cloudy right now for your Sunday. Much colder as winter makes its return yet again, 27. Mostly cloudy for Monday and 21. And clouds increase on Tuesday with some afternoon snow ahead of another system. That's going to bring probably our next decent shot of snow Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. And yeah, more cold air, unfortunately. A high Tuesday, 22. Look at the low Saturday night through Monday night. They're there in the middle and upper teens, and we look to stay there for the next several days.